Hello friends, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for showing great love and support on my previous video in which I have unboxed the Realme Buds Classic. In this video, we will do the review of Realme Buds Classics, a much awaited video, so let us start. First of all, starting from the build quality, it's very nice. I can say according to its price range, it's very nice of plastic. So yeah, build quality is very nice. So base, the very important thing which we all Indians love, base is also amazing and we cannot expect much more better than in this price range. And many of you were asking me how to fit, how these fits in your ear. So I will say these are half in ear design, as you guys can see, and they fit very well, and they're also very comfortable and very lightweight too. It doesn't feel like you are wearing something in your ears, and fits very well, I would say. And also they doesn't fall off when you shake your head like I did myself. I shake my head number of time, but it doesn't fell off. Also, one more question was mostly asked by me in the comment section of my previous video, that if this cable is braided or a normal video, or a normal cable, sorry. So as you guys can see, it's a braided cable with a lining on it. I hope you guys can see, it's a braided cable and it's of lining design, as you guys can see here, and they're tangle free, we can say. And they are really very tangle free, as you can see here. And now let us talk about the mic. It has a mic here, as said by Realme. It is HD calling mic, and it is really, the person on the other hand was able to hear me very clearly when I was attending call, and they just serve their purpose very well. And on the opposite of that, we can see here is a button, and this button works very well, and you can use it to pause play music and to pick or end the call. Overall, the sound quality of these birds is very good at this price range. I can't expect more from these, and they work very well. So if you are looking to buy earphone under rupees 500, then I can definitely recommend you to go for these, because they have a, we can say, they have the great noise cancellation. Like you won't hear any noise from and distortion from the outside, and they just serve their purpose very well. So if you guys enjoyed my review video, so make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.